Welcome to Martin Guitar. This is where it all started.
So I'm Chris Martin. I'm sixth generation. This is my family's business, and I'm the chairman and CEO of the Martin Guitar Company here in Nazareth, Pennsylvania. This is a business made up of families. If we were to put together the Martin employee family tree, it would be three-dimensional. So there's two ways you can join the company. One is I want to build guitars. The other is I want to support the guitar build. People love working in the office, some love working in the shop. We do promote from within, so wherever you start, that's just for, if you're ambitious, it's a starting point.
Hi, my name is Matt Rinker, and I love working in manufacturing. One of our newer pieces of technology that we purchased this year is a CMM, it's a coordinate measuring machine. What it allows us to do is bring in a CAD model into our software, use the arm to actually check the CAD model, and show us any type of error.
Can you believe that robot was waiting for the elevator? Now this is cool.
My name is Greg Crispin. I work in our accounting department as a manager of financial reporting and analysis. So manufacturing gives you a lot of options as you're looking for a career. Whatever your path for the future may be, manufacturing is a good avenue to pursue.
If you like music or guitars, this would be a dream job.
You know, we're very successful doing what we do, and that's what people expect us to do. And I don't want to minimize that, but we have a really good reputation in a very narrow niche, and we're going to keep working that really hard.
Even Attorney General Josh Shapiro thinks manufacturing is cool.